So when you're done at the stunt lot and you're ready to load it up, all you have to do is literally ride this thing up. I mean, you can do it with a big bike, a dirt bike. I'm comfortable with the Grom, but it's very, very simple. So they tell you to walk it up, but I found it's, like I said, very, very simple. Just to ride it up and you're done. Strap it down and you go. The ready ramp. All right, this is called the ready ramp system. They make it for, I think, multiple trucks. So I know Rangers, like Ford Rangers, Ford F-150s, Tacomas and Tundras. I know those are covered, and I think there's like a universal one. But what's unique about this is it's a ramp where you can offload bikes, and we've done all the way up to a street bike 600. Very heavy bikes. I think the max load is 600 pounds. Obviously, I got a Honda Grom on there right now, so that's pretty light. That one I just ride up. So when I'm done, I ride it straight up. And it supports myself, 200 pounds, and the bike itself, which is probably about 250. So what's unique about the ready ramp system, which I really like, especially for a truck that's smaller, a mid-sized truck like a Tacoma, where you have limited space and you want to utilize your bed space, you don't want it to be clogged up with a ramp that's kind of slid in there. It converts to a bed extender. So these two pieces on the end fold in, and then you have yourself a bed extender where it hooks easily into mounting points. Your connector right there for your tail gate, and then this little guy right there, you'll see there's pieces that actually strap that on there. Let me go ahead and show you how that works. So as you guys can see, I got it kind of snugged up here, so a little bit tighter, but you can have it a little bit extended. These straps right here, which I just leave on the ramp itself, and you can see how it's connected to my tail gate there. This one acts as like a clip. So let me go ahead and loosen it. So all I do is loosen the strap and then unclip this. So you can see it's just a little clip. That's it. So that comes off. With this, all you do is pull the tailgate hitch. That's it. It releases this. That comes off. You can see it's like a little peg. So the little peg clicks into place here, just like that, and it locks in place until you open your tail, you pull your tailgate release. So very simple. You don't have to secure anything to the tailgate itself once you ride this off. It's got little lips on it. You just push it all the way against it and just roll it down, get it to about this point, hop down, and then that's it. If you got a big bike, it's easier with two people, but dirt bike, Grom size scooter, easily a one-man job. As you can see, nothing's holding it to the gate. It's just the force of that and the angle of this. Comes all together. I paid for this, so I'm not sponsored and didn't get any discount. They don't know I'm doing this. It's just really cool, and I like it came in black. Since my truck has a white and black theme, my bike has a black and white theme. So I'll just give you an idea of the size of it. So yeah, real simple, cool little bike accessory. If you guys have a pickup truck and a motorcycle and you like to drive places for rides, or what I'm doing and going to a stunt lot, ready ramp, link down below, check them out.